professionals have their own unique work they do. They have their own unique work that they are being assigned to. Just the way a medical practitioner is in charge of prescription of drugs and treatment of sick people or patients, as the case may be, the mechanics is in charge of repairing people's car or vehicles. Okay, the building engineers are in charge of constructions. All right, so each professional, they have their own unique work they do. That's where the division of labor comes in. Everybody cannot be involved in everything. Okay, now why am I saying this? The question that really comes to mind is this: can the real estate agents, caretakers, estate surveyors and valuers, can they prepare tenancy agreements, deed of assignment, or any other land documents or agreements such as the mortgage agreement? Are they authorized to do something like that? That's the vital question for today's discussion. Okay, now you agree with me that the job of a real estate agent or a caretaker or surveyor or estate valuers are not the preparation of documents. They have their own job they do. Just like the name implies, estate valuer, they value property. All right, surveyors, they are involved in surveying a particular property. Caretaker, they take care of a property. Okay, agents, they are involved in buying and selling of properties. They have their own unique job, and they don't have the right or the vested authority to prepare a deed of assignment or any document or agreement as relating to real estate. Okay, the proper professionals that are involved in the preparation of tenancy agreements, deed of assignment, mortgage agreement, or any land instrument or document is the legal professionals. All right, it's only the legal profession that are being vested with the powers to prepare such documents. Apple said that for you to be a legal practitioner in Nigeria, you have to be duly called to the Nigerian bar. All right, even if you studied law outside the country and you have been called to the bar of that place you are residing in outside the country, if you still come to Nigeria, you will not be regarded as a legal practitioner until you must have gone through the gamut of the Nigerian law school and eventually be called to the Nigerian bar. So it doesn't matter, or it's immaterial, if you've attained the status of a PhD holder outside the country, yet you've not been called to the Nigerian bar. You must definitely be called to the Nigerian bar for you to be given the status of a legal practitioner here in Nigeria. So by virtue of the law, it's only a legal practitioner, that is a lawyer that has been duly called to the Nigerian bar, that can prepare any agreements in relation to land or landed properties. So there's actually a punishment attached to people who go about preparing these documents, and yet they are not legal practitioners, they are not lawyers. By virtue of our laws, it stipulates the payment of fine or a minimum or not exceeding a term of 2 years imprisonment for anybody who is not a lawyer but still went ahead to prepare a document or a land document, such as the rent, the tenancy agreement, the deed of assignment, the mortgage agreement, for a consideration. So what this means is that the real estate agents, the estate surveyors and valuers, the caretaker, are not eligible. In fact, they don't have the right to prepare any of these documents I have mentioned so far. They do not have the right to prepare any of these agreements I have mentioned so far. And if they eventually go ahead to prepare such documents in consideration of a particular fee, then the law is saying that the punishment for such act is payment of fine or it's a 2 years imprisonment terms. If you've gotten value from this video, please kindly drop a comment and then share to your friend and well wishers, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel to keep getting fascinating updates and educative messages like this. See you when I see you again. Bye bye.